Hi guys, this is Jackie from techjackie.com and welcome you to another video on SEO. In today's video, I'll show you how to do the SEO audit on your website using one of the fastest and easiest methods available out there. In this tutorial, I'll teach you using a tool called Website Auditor by Link Assistant, which is a part of their product called SEO PowerSuite. Now, before I jump into how to do that, let me first give you an introduction to what is this product and what does it do. So SEO PowerSuite is probably one of the most underrated SEO tools out there that I've ever seen, because due to the fact that there are many other like big players, for example Ahrefs or SEMrush or any other tools out there. But what I like the most about this tool is there's a free version available for you, and with this performance of the free tool, you can pretty much get all the premium things that you need from any other paid SEO tools out there. And also the tools kind of works very well as well, like it has many features. So let me first explain you what is an SEO PowerSuite. So SEO PowerSuite is basically like a package of comprised of four main SEO tools. That is, number one, rank tracker, or the tool which you use to track your ranking, as well as doing keyword research for your website. And then comes the website auditor, which will audit your website and see how your website is performing based on when compare against your competitors. And then third is SEO spyglass, or it will essentially kind of spies on your competitors and see different things, like for example their backlinks profile, the keywords they're ranking for, and all those stuff. And last, the link assistant, or a tool which helps kind of speed up your process when building links. So this tool will kind of go through the webs and fetch out the contact information of various websites. For example, if you want to do a guest post, then you can simply use this tool, and this tool will kind of like search around the webs and fetch you the contact details of the website owners. So I really like about this SEO PowerSuite due to the fact that it makes doing SEO much easier. So there are like three versions of this tool. The first one is the free versions, like literally you don't have to pay for anything. And then comes the professional package, where you have to pay like a $299, and then the enterprise package with the $699. And Christmas is coming, so they're running a 70% off, so make sure you check them out if you would like to buy their products. But even the free tool, the free version works very well. In fact, I'm also using the free version. So let me just go through a little bit of the free versions specifications. So the tool which we're going to use today is called Website Auditor, which I'll show you how to audit your website. And the best part is you can audit your websites up to 500 URLs for free. Now this is the same as Screaming Frog spider tool out there, which I'm sure you must have heard. It is one of the most famous SEO audit tool out there, and it works the same as SEO spider, Screaming Frog SEO spider tool, but in the fact that it is much easier for anyone to understand the audit information. So without further ado, let me show you by taking one of the examples of the website. So this is the particular website which I'm going to audit on. So let me just go ahead and grab their URL, and then I've already run the website auditor tool, and this is how it looks like. So when you start out, you will see the screen like this. Now first you have to create a project, or basically what it calls as entering your website URL. So go ahead and click on new here and enter the website URL that you want to audit, and then click on finish. And then all you have to do is wait for a while, let the tools kind of crawl the website and fetch back all the information required. And besides auditing your website, it also will gives you what it calls as TF-IDF, or a different keywords that your competitors are using but you're not using. Then I'll talk about TF-IDF later on in some of my future videos, but it is one of the SEO secret weapons to kind of helps optimize your on-page SEO to the next level. So as you can see here, the tool starts fetching out different URL on the website. As you can see, it's running right now. It's 24%. Just wait for a while and it should be finished in not more than 5 minutes, because this is a very small website. So with the free version, you're able to crawl up to 500 URLs for free, which is essentially the same as SEO Screaming Frog Spider. So, but what I like about the tool is it's much easier for anyone to basically understand the improvements or anything that they have to do on their website. Okay, so while waiting for the tool to run, you can have a look at the different sections here. So there's a site audit section, which will essentially show you different your problems on your website and categorized in a very easy to read manner. And then visualization tab shows how your site structure is organized, like just how you would normally see in the Screaming Frog Spider SEO Audit tool as well. And then comes the content analysis sections, which basically will let you analyze page by page on your website. So for example, you want to optimize your home page, then you may select your home page from the audit tool, and you can simply kind of optimize for that page. And then comes the TF-IDF sections, which I'll not talk about in this video, as it needs to be explained in one full video, so I'll talk about it in the next video. And then comes the domain strength, or how strong is the domain is based on number of backlinks and quality of backlinks. Now keep in mind that the Link Assistant, they have their own database, so it may not be super accurate just like Ahrefs or SEMrush, but it still can give you a pretty good idea on how strong your domain is based on the backlinks profile. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you the site audit and page audit, so you can have a clear example of how to audit your website and diagnose any possible problems. So right now the tool has finished crawling the website, and as you can see, it has fetched out about 111 URL here, as you can see. So these are the different pages that of the website that I've taken. So in order to see the process of the audit, or the kind of like the template, so all you have to do is go to the site audit section here. As you can see here, it will show different things like in a very categorized manner. Like for example, there are two websites having a 404 errors here, as you can see, and these are the two URLs that they found that 404 errors is there. And then comes like an issue like page with 302 redirects. There are 29 of them, so you can click on these sections and you can view different like the pages that have problem. And then it also shows you warnings, errors, and info kind of like a suggestion that you can have, but it's not compulsory, something like that. And then there's something like a broken links as well, as you can see here. These are the two pages that have broken links, so you can go ahead and fix the page as well. And then there's also a duplicate title tags, where it kind of find different pages on your website which has duplicate title tags. And besides that, they also have these suggestion giving for you as well. Like it, as you can see here, for example, if I click on pages with 302 redirects, it will show you that 302 redirects are temporary, so they don't pass any link juice. So they kind of give you the advice or suggestion that you should be doing as well in order to fix your website issues. So this is what I like the most about this tool. And as you can see here, it looks very clean and categorized and very easy to understand, especially if you're new to SEO, or if you're local business owners who doesn't have any knowledge about SEO at all. This tool can prove to be a very good and effective tool for you. Like if you have a look at the Screaming Frog SEO Spider, you'll see that all the information are categorized in a very difficult manner to understand, but this tool makes everything looks very much easier. So you can go through different sections here, like the errors, the warnings, right? and you can have a look. Like it even analyze the page speed. Like for example, as you can see here, the section where it says like different one, like mobile friendliness, technical SEO, on page SEO, different section on your website, as you can see here. Next, let me just show you one example of how to analyze a page or audit a section on your page, a page on your website. So go to the content analysis and click on page audit here, and then you click on add page, and then next all you have to do is search for the page that you want. Like for example, I want to analyze the home page, and then you enter the keywords that your page is targeting. Like for example, this particular website is targeting computer repair Edmonton, so I can go ahead and paste in the computer repair Edmonton keyword here and click on add, and it will analyze your page and see whether you have done enough SEO on your page or not. Like for example, it checks whether your page has a keyword in the title tag, or whether enough keywords are present in the body of the content or not, or if there's any keyword missing from your heading tag, something like that. So it's also a very handy tool as well, which you can utilize. So all we have to do is wait for the tool to process, and it should be done in a few seconds from now. So it will analyze both the on page and the technical factors, so you don't really have to worry about at all whether the tool won't analyze your technical aspects or your on page aspects. So this is a very good tool. Then you can try playing around with other sections as well. In this case, as you can see here, it analyzed and it finds that there's an exact match of a keyword present in the title tag, so this is fine. The title length it is 55 characters, that's fine as well, as you can see. And it also gives you the optimization score here, like as in this case it's 87.7%. Then you have like 0 warnings and 0 errors and 3 warnings. So you can have a look at different section here, then you can click on the warning and see as well. So like that's all for the videos. It's very easy for you and a very beginner friendly as well. Anyone without, like, even if you're doing SEO for the first time, this is probably one of the best tools that you can try out there. Like anyone can understand each and everything that the tool has categorized, and besides that, it also tells you the suggestion things that you need to do in order to fix your SEO problems. So that's all for this video. Hope you find this video valuable, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And if you like this video, make sure you press that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you want to get more knowledge about SEO. So that's all for it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.